Cheers from
Good morning students, welcome to the English class. I hope that you all are safe and healthy at home and doing your studies as well. Now children, in today's session we are going to continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 14, sentences from a grammar book. So children, I request everybody to take out your grammar books and your grammar copies also, as you have to do this exercise in your grammar copy. This chapter we have discussed in yesterday's live class also. So I hope that you will be able to do this exercise if you have attended the live class. And the children, I want to inform you one thing, that it's necessary to attend the live classes because it would be easier for you to understand the topic and to clear your doubts. Understood? So please attend the live classes. Now in this chapter there are few points to be remembered. In this chapter we have learnt that how the set of words when joined together they form sentences. And in this chapter we have learned that how this, that, these, those are used in sentences. Okay. So children, there are few points to be remembered which I have written on the board. You can see. First we will read out these points, we will understand it, and then after that we will do this exercise. Now the first point is this: we use this to point out singular things that are near us. This we used for singular things. Singular things means when we are talking about a particular person, place, animal, bird or thing. So we use this to point out singular things which are near to us. Near means the things which are close to us. The second point is we use that to point out singular things that are far from us, means the things which are not near us. In that case we use the word that. So children, remember these two, this and that we use for singular things. This is used for the things which are near to us, and that is used when the things are far from us. Now the third point is how to use these in sentences. We use these to point out plural things. Plural means more than one. So we use these to point out plural things that are near to us. So children, these is used when we are talking about plural things and the things which are near to us. The last is those. We have to use the word those in sentences. We use those to point out plural things that are far from us. Again, you can see here these and those are used when we are talking about plural things, and these is used when the things are near to us. When they are plural in number and the things are near to us, we use the word these in the sentences. And when the things are plural in number and they are far from us, we use the word those. So children, it is necessary to understand these all 4 points, as it will help you to do these type of exercises. So remember these points, okay, and try to memorize it and understand it also. Understood? Now we will move towards the exercise. Now children, read the question. Fill in the blanks using this, that, these, those. Now you have to read the sentence, you have to observe the picture, and what you have to observe? Firstly, the things are singular or plural. The things are singular in number or plural in number. And secondly, they are far or they are near. Okay. So in the first question you can see dash are balls. As you can see here, I have drawn picture of balls. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls are there. That means the things are plural in number. And the things are far from the blank, or you can say far from us also. So, which word we will use? This, that, these, those. So children, we will use here the word those. because the things are far from the blank and they are plural in number. So here I have explained you, we use those to point out plural things that are far from us. So balls are far from the blank. So here we will use those. Now the second question. Here you can see I have drawn two trees. Okay. Dash are trees. Now here you can see I have written trees. Why? Because there are two trees and they are plural in number. Okay. So here you can see these trees are near to the blank and they are plural in number. So we will use the word these here. T-H-E-S-E. These are trees. Now why we will use these here? Because I have already explained that we use these to point out plural things that are near to us. So these trees are near to the blank, or you can say these trees are near to us also. Okay, so we will use here these. Now move towards question number 3. Dash is the bat. Here you can see I have drawn one bat. MRF bat I have drawn here. Okay. So this bat is singular in number because it is only one bat. So here which word will come? This, that, these, those. Yes, we will use here that because this bat is far from the blank, or we can say this bat is far from us and it is singular in number. So we will use here that. Here I have already explained we use that to point out singular things that are far from us. So here we have used that. Now the fourth question, here you can see one apple I have drawn. Dash is an apple. Here we are talking about only one apple. So it is singular and it is near to the blank, or we can say it is near to us. So we will use the word this here. Children, remember that whenever we begin a sentence, we should begin with the capital letter. So here you can observe that T is capital everywhere. So the sentence will be, this is an apple. Now why we have used this here? Because here I have explained you, we use this to point out singular things that are near us. So here this apple is near to the blank or near us. So we have used this here. Now the fifth question is, dash are stars. Here you can see number of stars I have drawn. So it is plural in number. We are talking about plural. Okay. So the stars are far from the blank, or you can say far from us. So which word we will use here? This, that, these, those. Yes, we will use here those. Those. Those are stars. Sixth is, you can see number of umbrellas I have drawn here. 1, 2, 3. 3 umbrellas are there. That means plural in number. So dash are umbrellas. As you can see, these umbrellas are near to the blank, or we can say near to us also. So we will use the word these here. Because I have already explained you that we use these to point out plural things which are near to us. Now the seventh question is, dash is a pencil. Here you can see how many pencils are there? Only one pencil is there. So we are talking about singular. Okay. And it is far from the blank, or it is far from us. So which word we will use here? This, that, these, those. Yes, we will use here that, because we use that to point out singular things that are far from us. Now the last question is, you can see the picture of a glass. Okay, and how many glass are there? Only one glass. So we are talking about singular. Dash is a glass, and this glass is near to the blank, or we can say near to us. So which word we will use here? Yes, we will use this here, because we use this to point out singular things which are near us. So children, those, how to use this, that, these, those in sentences. It can be given in this form also, the question can be given in this form also, or I can give in jumbled way also, as it is given in the book. So children, do this exercise in your grammar copy. Okay, you can draw the pictures also the way I have drawn on the board. Understood children? So I hope you have understood this chapter very well, and we have come to an end of this chapter. In the next class we will start something new. So by that time your today's home assignment will be, you have to do this fill in the blanks in your grammar copy. Understood? So that's all for today. Thank you.